Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make the most out of December month so that you can enter 2025 feeling empowered and confident. Many people wait until the new year to make resolutions only to lose motivation by the month of February or March. The main reason for this is that they haven't built a solid foundation for themselves. You just can't wake up on January 1st and expect to change your life with a simple resolution. That is why December is crucial. It's the perfect month you can extract maximum from the current year and build momentum for the next year. While it might seem like a month of holidays, it is also a month of responsibility and discipline. So let's dive into how to use December to set the groundwork for leveling up in 2025. Personally, I love my routines. They are incredibly valuable for staying grounded and disciplined. I have both morning and evening routine to start and end my day with calm. Throughout the day, things can go as chaotic and as challenging as they want. But as long as you have respected and invested your time into routines, you stay grounded. You can personalize your routines however you want and adjust them as time goes on, but having routines can literally change your life. For the entire year of 2024, I have woken up somewhere between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. But this December, I have decided to experiment with waking up at 4 a.m. just to see if it can boost my productivity and happiness. If I find this routine sustainable and stick with it for a while, I would definitely love to share with you if you are interested. Initially, I started just with a morning routine, but over time, I felt inspired to create evening routine as well. There are many YouTubers sharing their evening routines, but one that inspired me was Malama Live's evening routine. If you are interested, I'll link her video in the description below. Consistently following your routine ensures that you are working towards your goal every day, even if it is in small increments. Over time, these small efforts compound and lead to significant long term achievements. To make the new year impactful, use December month to reflect intentionally on the entire year of 2024. Reflect on your habits, screen time, finances, friendships, and relationships. When you reflect on the important aspects of your life, you can identify where you need to give more attention and make improvements. This process also helps you to let go habits that don't serve the best version of yourself. I personally enjoy doing monthly reflections, so this month is naturally my reflection month. You might choose to do quarterly reflections, making December month your default reflection month as well. I use journaling prompts to do monthly reflections, but my favorite method is rating a wheel of life. Wheel of life is a powerful tool for self assessment. It typically includes categories like health, relationships, personal growth, finances, and purpose. I'll share Wheel of Life on the screen. Rate each area of your life on a scale of 1 to 10. And below each rating, write why you gave that rating and what improvements or changes you would like to see. This exercise provides you a clear picture where you stand and where you want to go. Here are some prompts to help you reflect more deeply. What were my achievements in 2024? What challenges did I face and how did I overcome them? What habits served me well and which ones held me back? What relationships enriched my life and which ones drained my energy? How did I manage my finances and what can I improve? After a long year of work and responsibilities, December is also the month to take proper rest so that you can reset for the next year. Taking sufficient rest ensures that you are fulfilling your prime responsibility, filling your own cup first. Make sure that you get enough sleep and give your body rest it needs. This not only refreshes you physically but mentally and emotionally as well, allowing you to enter the new year with renewed energy and clear mind. Allowing yourself to be unproductive can actually be productive for your mental health. So use this time to recharge without any guilt or pressure to be constantly active. You can think of building n number of new habits, but what helps you stick to them is tracking your habits. When you track your habits daily, by the end of the month, you get a clear picture of where you stand. You can't hide it from yourself because it forces you to be transparent. Let's be honest, we all have the tendency to revert back to our old habits that don't serve us. But when we see our tracker, we can reflect on our habits and quickly make necessary changes. I personally like to use Notion to track my habits, but you can use a journal or any app of your preference. Books help you to connect your life experiences with the teachings of others. They can offer solutions, inspiration, or simply new ideas that can shift your entire perspective. Whether it is fiction or non-fiction, books have the power to open your mind and broaden your horizons. I like to keep track of the books that I have read so far, but at the same time, I also like to create a wish list of the books that I would like to read in the upcoming year. This practice not only motivates me to read more, but also encourages continuous learning. When you read books, you spend less time on your phone. This reduces your dependence on your phone and also forces you to be more intentional with your time. Reflecting on your previous year helps you to create a vision for your upcoming year. By this time, you have gained enough experiences to understand the ups and downs of the year. The Wheel of Life not only helps you to reflect, but it also gives you a framework to form a vision for the next year in different areas of your life. You can take this reflection and use other tools such as vision board, quarterly reviews, yearly plannings, or personal mission statements to further solidify your vision. These tools give you direction and clarity to align your goals with your deeper values. I love to hear what steps you are taking to end this year powerfully. Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.